The truck's flatbed is loaded with lots of wild animals.
Let's go! Yahoo!
Hi kids, welcome to the zoo. It is going to be a busy day here with lots of new animals arriving. I hear the truck coming now in the distance. It sounds like it is just outside the gates. There it comes. Can you see it? It is going slowly so the animals on board do not get frightened. The truck's flatbed is loaded with lots of wild animals. It is driving around the zoo's path, and now it is coming to a stop just outside the hippo habitat. There is a big sign outside that says Hippo. All of our animals have these signs so that visitors to the zoo can identify the animals if they do not know what they are. The hippo is very happy to be off the truck because it can go for a swim in the pool in its pen. Hippos like to eat grass. They are related to whales and dolphins, which live in the oceans. Hippos can run faster than a person. Now the large truck is moving on to its next stop. The sign outside of the habitat says giraffe on it, but the deer is trying to get off. Oh my dear! Now the giraffe's gate is opening and it is getting off the truck and going into its pen. Look at how tall it is. It is the tallest mammal in the world. It has a special pen so that it will not get out over the sides. Giraffes really like to eat leaves, and they can reach ones that are high up in the trees. Now the big truck is moving again. I wonder which of the animals is going to be unloaded next. We'll have to wait a minute while the truck drives around. The camel is the next animal to get off. It has a pen that has lots of shade trees in it, and the zookeepers already have some hay and grain in the pen for it. Camels drink lots of water. Some people in the world use camels to travel on. They can be tamed, but the ones we have here at the zoo are wild. We can come back and visit the camel later, but for now, let's watch to see where the truck will go next. It is going to stop at the kangaroo habitat. Look at it hopping around in its new pen now that it got unloaded. Do you think the kangaroo might have a baby hiding in its pouch? Baby kangaroos are called joeys. Another interesting thing about kangaroos is that they are unable to walk backwards. There are just 2 animals left on the truck now. Let's see where they are going and what they are. They are stopping at the elephant's pen. It is made of sturdy materials because the elephant is a very big animal. Look at how big its feet are. It also has a huge trunk, as you can see. Elephants' trunks help them do many things like smell the air and lift things. Elephants cannot jump. Let's let the elephant get used to its pen while we see what is the last animal on the truck. Finally, the truck is stopping outside of the deer pen. It is finally in its new home after waiting anxiously. It isn't taking long to enjoy its pen. It is such a beautiful animal and looks really happy to be home. It has a nice grassy enclosure where it can eat lots or run around, whatever it likes. You might have seen deer before. In some areas, they can be seen grazing in fields. When their babies, called fawns, are born, they have white spots like polka dots on their brown coats. When they get bigger, they lose their spots. The truck is moving again, back towards the zoo's front gates. I wonder where it is going to stop first. It is stopping at the zebra pen. Look at all of its black and white stripes. It is so cute. The zebra is related to the horse family, but it isn't a pet like a horse. It is a wild animal. Zebras sleep standing up. Let's continue on because the giant truck bringing the animals to the zoo is on the move again. Let's see which animal is going to enter its new habitat next. It is the lion. It is going to be living in a large dome-shaped enclosure that has rocks for the lion to sit on. Groups of lions are called a pride. Male lions have a large mane. Female lions do not have a mane. The truck is headed toward the bison pen. Look how excited the bison is to be off the truck and in its new home. Soon he will settle down and start to eat the grass. Bison can run faster than a horse. Bison are related to domestic cattle. Thank you, kids, for being so good at watching the animals be unloaded. Now you and your families can go and get a quick look at all the animals that were just unloaded and everything else we have at the zoo. Just make sure not to stick your hands into any of the pens or cages. Zoo animals are just for looking at because even though we can look at them up close, they are still wild animals. It is a great day out to be able to discover the animals. If you have any questions about the animals, please comment below or ask your parents or one of our zookeepers. We'd be happy for you to learn more about these amazing wild animals.